Okay.
So DIY house, do it yourself. This is
Coffee
the
house.
coffee house.
This is what she looks like. Oh, I always love these little pieces.
So that looks like you've got a bag of electronics. We do have some already green punch outs in this one.
Which we'll probably end up painting anyway because it just looks better.
See some gray ones in there.
Oh my gosh, this is a cash register. Look how cute.
That is adorable.
And little coffee cups. Look inside the coffee cups.
It has espresso, like fancy foam designs in them. That's fun. And they're already assembled, so we don't have to like be gluing tiny things onto beads. That's nice.
Yeah. Well, don't speak too soon.
There might be some assembly. Like this, some of this is much thicker than the last one we worked on.
I think you spoke too soon about assembly stuff.
Well, I just meant like at least some of it is already done. So big old bag of parts.
Oh no! Look at all those little beads.
Parts. You know what? The colors in this so far are much more agreeable.
Yes.
Up front. We had a lot of oranges and ickies.
Like orangey and yellow and yeah, did not go well at all.
In the last kit, yeah. So we'll probably still do some painting, but not maybe as much as we had to on the other one.
Tiny beads. Lots and lots of tiny beads.
These doors are cute. The doors. Got like
nice cool. Look at the manual in this one.
Ooh, much larger.
Much larger. I love that.
We'll see. Well, there's the surface area on the table that we work at that's going to be a thing. But that shows the picture way better than the front of the box too.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's adorable. Let's look at the instructions.
There's much sturdier parts in this one.
Oh,
definitely.
These instructions look nice. Everything is bigger than that tiny booklet from our last one.
Yeah.
Holding up. This is a bread bag.
It says bread bag, yes.
So funny.
A little shopping bag kind of thing.
Look at the little stool. Oh gosh, we gotta wrap the leather around the stool.
Oh.
Oh dear.
Leather, paper, whichever.
So.
That's nice.
Very similar instruction style.
Does that one have... Yeah, you have the little electronics. So we've got some lights going in this one too, I'm assuming.
Yes.
Yeah. I had to get my husband to help us with that. Oh, this actually has like... Oh, okay. So it's not even...
Inside of a...
Yeah, they probably all have wiring. But this is actually like fabrics too. Not just paper looking like fabrics. Oh, that cushion.
That's the
leather seat cover actually has like a padded... That's...
I don't know what this is, but it is bubble wrapped for safety. Right, please go in there. Please go in there.
Oh. We'll just leave that as a mystery until we figure out what it is. Maybe a bulb or something. So cute.
I do love that the instruction manual is so big. But there is a lot. This is going to be more, I think, than our little nook.
No, yeah, I don't know what.
However, with the wider space in the back, I feel like it might be easier than trying.
I can't tell if this is just trash or if it's a thing, so I'm gonna leave that in there.
We have a lot of gluing, right? No stickers.
Well, this is all I found so far that are sticker or possible like paper thing. Okay, well they're perforated.
Oh, that's
so that
nice.
is something that we commented that the gluing we don't mind as much, but all the cutting out. Yeah, and it's all like photo finish slippery paper, so using a ruler and a straight,
you're talking tedious. Over that plastic. That's
true. But yeah, so these are punch outs, and they're maybe a little more cardboardy.
It's not sticker though, still, right?
I don't think so.
Either way, I appreciate
the perforations
that it's.
And they just, they're coming out nice and clean, it looks like.
The colors in this are much more fun than that yellowy orange, like books and stuff. For sure.
This looks like the cardboard ones are all like signs.
Look, it's got a little map.
I'm gonna go with this as foreign language, but I don't think it's meant to be a foreign language. But it's so we have a magic coffee shop, and then 2 signs that say what Kofe. COFE.
Oh, look at the little book. The books in this one are prettier too.
Yeah, and they're more individual
A
too.
little
I don't
liqueur
see a
with your
ton of
coffee.
repeaters.
Jello.
Box of Jello. Okay. Everybody likes Jello. No, not everybody likes Jello at
Oh,
all.
the little owl book's cute. Ooh. Excuse me. Hold up.
Huh?
Wait a minute. Wait.
What?
Well, I'll show you and then I'll show the camera.
Oh, we have a little infringement again.
The Marauders map. I have the
Yeah.
hardest time remember. I always want to say Martyrs map. That's
No.
not it. Cat. He who must not be named.
Oh, so okay. So all the newspapers are Harry Potter themed. It looks like so far. Interesting.
Hocus Pocus spell book is in here.
Mhm.
Love that.
Okay.
Hogwarts School increases security. That's another newspaper by the Daily Prophet.
What's this?
Look. That's what I was saying that map a minute ago. That's really cool. I
It's
love
the.
coffee.
Ooh, where's my?
Like, those are under coffee. Look. Those are cute.
I think this says Harvard University and Ratcliffe College, but I'm pretty sure there's a picture of Harry and Ron next to it. If it's not, it's very convincing. But it's cute.
Boy Who Lived. Another Daily Prophet.
Oh, I need to get super into all of this.
I'm loving it.
All of these Mudbloods, Dumbledore. All of these books are Harry
Look.
Potter themed.
You remember the little horse?
All right. All those books are definitely.
Remember the little horses that you only see if you've seen Death in Harry Potter?
Godfrey Lockhart. Oh yeah, the Thestral. Neat.
More Harry Potter themed stuff. Newspapers.
Hogwarts School increases security.
Yep. I already read all of this.
Okay. Well, anyway.
There's another Hogwarts increases security. There's
We
several
have
of them.
other boxes to open.
There's more Dumbledore. Those books are pretty.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So we'll see how it goes as far as assembly goes. But so far, this is looking pretty impressive.
Yes. I'm excited. I'm so happy these are punching cards.
Yeah. Yeah.
I still wish they were stickers.
My hand was cramping so bad by the time we got through that other one from all the X-Acto work
does this not
and
need to be
scissors. And
with the other.
I was going to put it kind of more on top. So it doesn't, I guess
I
it
don't
could have
want
gone
it to
either
get
way.
smushed or bent. Honey.
Oh, look, we reboxed it.
We don't need that.
No. For whatever reason, the last one we did, when we went to put the stuff back in the box, like at the end of the day, the papers didn't go.
It didn't.
And it was like, it came out of this box.
Okay. Ta-da! Set that over there, I guess.
Yeah.
Whoop. Yay!